This is Annie with another Microbiome Minute. The holidays are upon us, which means we can now decorate our homes with lights without looking crazy. My favorite thing to do during the holidays is wrap presents while sipping some hot cocoa. Cocoa's great because it is full of polyphenols and improves nitric oxide levels. To make some, add together 2 cups of almond milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 to 3 drops of liquid stevia, and some vanilla extract in a saucepan. If you're not a huge fan of stevia, you can substitute it with some organic cane sugar. To make this hot cocoa even more healthy, I added a scoop of Prebiotin prebiotic fiber. During this time of the year, a lot of people are getting sick, so it is important to build up your immunity with Prebiotin. Plus, I think it makes the hot cocoa taste better. Whisk this mixture together frequently and cook it over medium heat. After about 4 minutes, the mixture should be heated up and you can transfer it into mugs. Lastly, add your toppings of choice and enjoy. This has been a Microbiome Minute by Prebiotin Prebiotic Fiber.